I want you to answer these questions. Now that you understand the difference between an order taker and a strategic partner, what immediate changes can you make in your current approach to work? What skills or knowledge do you feel you need to develop to start contributing more strategically? Ask your question. Ask yourself, self, paano nga ba natin to gagawin? Okay, how can we show ourselves as a strategic partner? And another set of questions, how comfortable are you with stepping into roles that require to make more strategic decisions? Rate from 1 to 5, 5 being the highest. And what steps can you take to transform a transactional client relationship into a more collaborative and consultative one? And if you don't know, that's okay. Kasi if you join my SMM level 3 for only 999, may internship na to ha. And if you use my code, kahit nailagay nyo lang yung name ko, Edina, this will definitely help you